So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add vlog music or vlog background music to a video here in InShot. So here's my video. Pretend that it's a vlog. If you wanted to add some background music to it, press on the audio button right here. Then go to where it says music. On this page right here, just scroll down to where it says vlog. You can go ahead and actually view a bunch of different vlog musics right here. So I'll just go ahead and press this one right here. I will then press on mornings as an example. There's my music. I'll go ahead and press the download button right here. Then go ahead and press on use. Then once you guys are here, if I were to go ahead and play the video, there's now some vlog music that you guys can use in your videos. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can add vlog background music to a video here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.